Are you still filling out hundreds of copies of the same PDF form by hand? Are you tired of solutions that require third-party plugins, macros, or coding knowledge? Don't worry, in this video we will show you how you can automatically fill a PDF form with data from an Excel list with a tool called PDF Mail Merger. In under 2 minutes, you will have up to thousands of completed forms filled in with the data from your Excel list, whereas each row of the Excel list generates a new PDF document. In our example, we show how to fill out a vehicle registration form with data from a fictitious list of company cars. Go to pdfmailmerger.com and create a new account. Make sure you enter your email address correctly, as the download link with the generated PDF files will be sent to this address. After you've created your account, you will be redirected to the home screen. Your home screen probably looks a bit empty, so let's just create a new autofill with a click on Create Autofill. In the first step, drag and drop or click the box to upload the PDF form you want to fill out. It does not matter whether the file has fillable form fields or not. As soon as the PDF file has been uploaded, you will be navigated to the second step. Here you can upload your Excel file. Make sure that the first row of your Excel spreadsheet contains the column headings. After uploading the Excel file, the editor is loaded in the third step. Drag and drop the placeholders on the left side of the screen onto the PDF file. The placeholder names result from the column headings of your Excel file, which will later be replaced by the corresponding data from the respective Excel column. Drag the placeholders to the desired position and adjust the appearance, such as the font size or font family, using the toolbar. You can click through the pages of your PDF file at the bottom. Once you've added all the placeholders as desired, click Save and Next. In the fourth and final step, you can start the filling process by clicking on Autofill. A new PDF document is generated for each row in your Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you have enough credits available. The Always Free plan comes with 100 PDF files per month and can be easily upgraded if you require more PDF files. Wait a few minutes until you receive the download link via email. Click the link in the email to download the filled PDF forms. It may take a few minutes for the email to arrive in your mailbox. The downloaded zip file contains all PDF forms as individually filled out files. You can find the link to PDF Mail Merger in the description below. Please comment or leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!